Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to share about making a carrot turmeric oil that brightens our skin, gives our skins to glow, moisturizes our skin, lightens our skin. Even sometimes you can use it on hair. It is very effective on our skin. Even treat some diseases, itching. You can use this over a night. You can use it over a night. You can use it to remove dark spots. You can use it to improve on your skin complex. For 3 weeks, you'll be fine. Okay, so we are going to cook this. A spoon, we are going to take on fire so that we get some oil. 2 spoons of this, because we want to make this one is very effective. A very effective oil. Okay, so we are going to get even turmeric. We're going to make enough of this. This is turmeric. Guys, are you seeing that? It's turmeric. So we're going to make enough of this. And we are going to add our oil. That is coconut oil, is the one we are going to use. So we're going to use coconut oil. That's 1 tablespoon. And you add another one. Okay, we're going to make our oil like that. So you can get this one, the turmeric, which is which is still fresh, and use. And this one, so we are going to put on fire on a cool heat, not very hot, but just middle. Okay, so we are going to put on fire right now. Just boil with a calm heat. I think that heat, just like that. So you keep turning. Okay, keep turning this oil until it changes its color. Okay, are you seeing that? To get our oil, this is our oil. You filter it with a sieve or a cloth, anything which you are comfortable with. This is our oil that we have got from here. I think this will make you your skin super light, bright, glow. You mix it with your oil. You can use it with your smearing oil. You can use it with anything. Even if you can smear it alone, it will make it, if it is comfortable with you, to make you look good. Guys, trust me, this thing works. Okay, thank you for being part of this video. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up. Bye bye.